Affiliate marketing is a great way you can earn passive income or earn extra income if you want to grow your revenue stream. Now, if you're new to affiliate marketing, you might be asking this one simple question. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing simply means you promoting and selling other people's products in exchange for a commission using a specific link. Now, this link, you are not the one to generate or create this link. Don't freak out, all right? This link is a link given to you by the brand you signed up for, all right? Now you know what affiliate marketing is all about. You might be wondering, how do I get started, Violet? How much do I need to pay to join the affiliate program? Now, you don't need to pay any brand any money to join the affiliate program or to start affiliate marketing, all right? There is no skill required. There is no qualification required. There is no experience required. All you need is your smartphone. All you need is that laptop. All you need is that computer. Okay, that is all you need to start affiliate marketing. All right, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get started with affiliate marketing. If you're new to affiliate marketing, make sure you watch this video to the very end, because I'm going to show you step by step on how to start, okay, how to get brands, how to sign up with them, and how to get the affiliate link and start promoting. Okay, I'm going to do that in this video. So watch this video to the very end. Do not skip any part of this video. All right, so if you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Chinua Violet. On this channel, I share different ways on how to make money online. So if this is what interests you, if you're interested to make money online, make sure you hit that subscribe button, okay? Turn on the notification bell beside it so you get notified whenever a new video is up on my channel. So guys, to start affiliate marketing and start promoting other people's products, okay, you can sign up with this website called Yazzie. Yazzie.com. Click on Yazzie.com and you click on this first link. I mean, there are other websites you can sign up with and join brands affiliate program and start promoting their products. Okay, Yazzie is one of the websites you can actually sign up and start promoting other people's products. Now, if you don't have an account here, if you don't have an account with Yazzie, you can create one by clicking join now. If you click on join now, you will be asked to fill in your username, your email, enter password, and confirm password. And you click on register now. So once you click on register now, that is it. There is no much procedure, no much requirement when it comes to registration. So it's just simple, all right? So I have an account with this website, okay? So I created this account for the purpose of this video. So I'm just going to go ahead and log into my account. All right, and then I'll put in my details. All right, and I'll click on login. So it will take me to my account, or you can see my name here. So what I need to do right now, there are so many brands here. You can actually join the affiliate program. You can see there are two things you can do here. You can shop and earn. Okay, these are ways you can make money. When you shop, you earn money. When you promote, you also earn money here. All right. So I'm just gonna go and click on brands and stores. Okay, same page. So we just go down the page. There are so many brands. We have Aguda, so many brands. We have Bluebolt here, Guess, so many brands you can actually promote their products and you make money. All right, you click on show more brands. Okay, you can promote this as well. Okay, this is for outfits. Okay, now you're on this website, you need to identify which brand, okay, the brand you want to promote their products. All right, now another thing you need to consider when you're promoting products is what's the most niche out there? Like, what are people looking for? What are people looking at for? Okay, you can't just select any brand and start promoting. Now, for me personally, I always go with health niche. I always go with softwares, business and investing, because I know this is a season where people are looking for ways to be successful in their businesses and make money online. So I decided to go on that niche, or to go with that niche, right? So you need to identify which niche you want to go with. All right, you can promote any brand you want. Okay, you can promote any brand you want. It's your choice, but you have to make sure that what you're putting out there, the link you're putting out there, or the product you are promoting has value to offer to the people out there. All right, you can't just promote any product. All right, so now you can just come here and let's say we want to promote Agoda. Okay, we click on promote to earn. Okay, we click on it. All right, you can see this is our affiliate link. Now this is how you generate affiliate link. I'm going to show you another website how you can generate link. There are different ways, different website, different method. Okay, now in this website, this is how you can generate link. All right, so when you click on let me show you guys again. When you click on, let's say we want to promote Agoda brand. Okay, Agoda product. Agoda is all about flight, hotel, and all that, booking and all that. So you click on promote. We don't want to shop, we want to promote, we want to work as an affiliate. Okay, so we click on promote to earn. We click on here, promote to earn. The website will generate affiliate link for you. So now this is your affiliate link. This is a link you are going to promote out there. Okay, so when anyone purchases your link, purchases the product or books a hotel, remember Agoda is about hotel booking, flight booking, and all that. Okay, so if someone books a hotel or books a flight using your link that you put out there, you earn a commission. Okay, you're going to earn a commission. All right, so what we need to do is to copy this link. Okay, or you can click on this icon here that says copy. Okay, it will highlight it. It shows that you've copied your link. So you can copy this link and you can promote it. Promote it on social media. You can promote. I'm going to make a separate video on how you can promote affiliate links. All right, so you can promote it on your social media, promote it on your YouTube channel as well. If you have a YouTube channel, you can put this link in the description box. So definitely you have someone who will go there and click on the link to know what's up. Okay, all right, so that is how you generate link with this website. All right, so now another way you can actually, another website you can actually visit, another website you can visit to get affiliate link is called Warrior Plus. Yeah, Warrior Plus. You go to Warrior Plus. Okay, when you go to Warrior Plus, if you don't have an account, okay, it's free to sign up. You don't need to pay. Like I said, you don't need to pay to sign up or to create an account, okay, or to join the affiliate program, right? So if you don't have an account, you just click on free sign up here. You click on free sign up, it's take you to a page where you have to put your details, your username, your password, your email. So you need to verify your email. Okay, once you fill up these details and click on create account, they will send you an email and you have to verify your account, okay, to get started. So I already have an account with Warrior Plus. So what I need to do is to log into my account. So I'll click on login here, and then I'll enter my username. Enter my password. And then I'll click on login. So now they're asking me to verify my, they sent me a verification code. So I need to verify that I'm the one trying to log in. Okay, so I have to go to my email. Okay, I'm going to put in the verification code. And click on verify code. All right, so I have access to my account. So now, once you create your account, once you create your account and you verify your account, okay, they will land you on this page and you have to go to affiliate, okay. But before you do that, you have to make sure you set up your account. Okay, you have to go to click on this particular place. Okay, click on your username and then go to my account. When you go to my account, you have to set up your account. Like you have to put in your withdrawal method. You click on this particular place, put your withdrawal method. All right. When you click on it, it will take you to a page where you have to put in your what you have to, when you click on withdraw, they'll ask you for they'll ask to link your withdraw account. Okay, for me personally, I've already linked my payment method. Okay, when you click on this withdrawal, so now, so these are the things you need to set up before you can click on affiliates. All right, so the next thing is for you to click on tax and tax information. Now when you click on this withdrawal here, all right, and then you're done with the payment method, all right, you will see where they will ask you for tax information, for you to complete your tax information. So once that is done, once you're done filling up your tax information, if you're in the USA, there is a form for it for you to fill. If you are in non-US, there's a form for you to fill as well, so that they won't deduct 30% from your earnings. Okay, so that is for non-US. So now you've already set up your payment method, you've already set up your tax information. Now you can come to affiliate, because that is what you are. Okay, an affiliate. All right, and click on dashboard, or click on offer. Okay, let's click on offer. Okay, when you click on offer, it will bring you, it's still loading. All right, so these are all the affiliate programs. Okay, all these are affiliate programs, so you have to choose which affiliate program you want to sign up with. Okay, all right, so you can see this particular one, I've already requested to promote this product. Okay, I've already requested to promote this product, so you can do the same thing as well. So once you click on a particular product, they'll ask, let's say for example, you can see here they say request. You need to send a request, right? So you need to send a request in order for you to get the affiliate link. All right, it's not like the Yazdi, where you have to just sign up and then you choose a brand and you get the affiliate link. No, this particular one, you need to send a request to the owner, and once approved, they will send you an email, and then you can have your affiliate link. All right, so let's say we want to promote this product. Okay, want to promote this secret email system. We click on it. Remember, this is software where you can choose any niche you want. So you click on it. So now this is the owner of that software. Okay, this is the owner of secret email system. Okay, what you need to do now, look at it. The price range, okay, is $5.60 to $97.70. So your commission will be $5, ranging from $5.60 to $124.58. All right, plus your current payment, like every month they keep paying you every month. Okay, all right. So now to get the link, we need to send a request to this guy. Okay, when you click on send request approval, okay, you must be approved. This is what they say. You must be approved by this is the owner, okay, to promote this offer. So what you need to do, click on request approval. Okay, when you click on request approval, you write a note. Okay, it's good for you to write something. Okay, you can put it there, hi, the name of it, interested in promoting your offer, kindly approve, blah, blah, or you can put there you are a guru when it comes to affiliate marketing. You can say something about you. If you are new to affiliate marketing, or if you've been affiliate marketing, how much you've made in affiliate. You can put all these things, but that will actually help. It will help facilitate your approval. Okay, you put it there, and then you can click on request offer. So the request will be sent to the owner, and then once approved, usually it doesn't take more than 24 hours. Okay, once approved, the owner will send you an email. Okay, and then your link will be open, so you will have something like this when you go to once approved, you have something like this, get link. So when you click on it, all right, you can see this is my affiliate link for that particular product. This is my affiliate link, so I can copy it. All right, copy this link, and then I can start promoting the link. All right, I can promote it on social media. I can run ads. I want to run ads on the link. So it's not about getting link. Okay, one thing about affiliate marketing is it's not about getting link. You need to drive traffic to your link. That way you'll be successful in affiliate marketing. If you don't drive traffic, or if you don't have any traffic, you will not be successful in affiliate marketing. So if you want to have sales, you need to drive traffic. So now you already have your link. Let's assume this is your link. Okay, you click on get link here. You already have your link. This is your affiliate link. You copy the affiliate link, and now the next thing is for you to start promoting it, to start driving traffic. Now, like I mentioned earlier, you can promote this link on your YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube channel, you can put this link in the description box and tell people to talk. You can make a video about this offer. Okay, you can make a video about this offer and attach this link, put the link in the description box. So when people watch the link, they can go to your description box and click on the link and purchase, okay, or sign up. All right, so this is one way you can actually promote this link. Another way you can promote the link is by running ads. You can run Google ads, you can run YouTube ads. You can promote the link in your social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. You can promote this link there. You can as well run free ads as well. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to make a video, separate video, and explain to you guys, show you guys how you can free websites that you can actually use to promote your affiliate link. I'll also make a video on paid website as well that you can actually use to promote your affiliate link, to drive traffic to your link, enough for you to have sales. Okay, because that's the main thing about affiliate marketing. You need to drive traffic, okay, to your affiliate link so that you can have sales and earn that commission. All right, so this is basically how you sign up with brands. Okay, I just used 2 websites to explain in this video. Okay, Warrior Plus and Yazzie. You can sign up with these websites if you want to start up start affiliate marketing or join affiliate programs. So you just get the link and you start promoting it. All right, so now let me know in the comment section if you're currently into affiliate marketing. What is your progress like? Are you making sales? All right, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new to this channel. Okay, subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell as well, and like this video. It helps YouTube to share. It actually shows YouTube that this video has value, and YouTube can share this video to other people to also watch and get value from it. So see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.